afternoon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa famous Vivo City. Okay, we're here at Vivo City. So we're here to see yung light exhibit for Donald Duck because it's his 90th birthday. Pero medyo maaga pa, masyado pang maliwanag sa Sky Park. So, tignan muna natin kung anong meron dito ngayon sa mall. Okay guys, so nandito na tayo. Merong booth for the mooncakes because it's Mid-Autumn's Festival. So, may mga iba't ibang hotel tayong makikita dito na nagki-cater ng different mooncakes. So, meron din mga free taste. So, let's find out kung sino talaga ang merong the best mooncake. So, we can go inside. Ayan po. So, meron pong kulay ko. Kulay din there. And then, of course, syempre, from Disney. So, they have their own mooncake. So, specially made for this event. So, let's move on. Golden Peak. Mahaba at marami na natin isa. So, ito yung usual flavor ng cookies.
Ayaw ka lang bigyan ng free taste? Okay.
Hindi pa, hindi ka naman pinag-iwi.
Hindi pa tayo lang dapat in-offer nila. Tapos doon yan. Can try it?
What flavor is this?
We have celebrated longan, chocolate, black sesame peanut butter, and pandan.
Oh, okay.
You want to try?
Yeah, I'll try the pandan.
You do? All for you?
Yeah, pandan from Madam Ling.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
too sweet. Madam Ling. Your choice? The custard. Sweet and salty. Yeah, this is the best seller.
Ako pengi.
This is Mala Loves.
Ayaw ko ng mala.
This is fresh pork.
Okay, I'll try that one.
And they also have salted egg yolk.
Ayun na lang.
Salted egg yolk.
Okay, try it.
Okay. Try muna natin yung salted egg yolk. It's actually, hindi siya mooncake.
Ano siya?
Parang crispy bun.
Okay.
This one yung Mala Lobster. Masarap siya. Hindi siya sweet kasi. Try mo.
Okay. Pork, parang hopya. Yan's Dining.
Since it's Mid-Autumn Festival, so ito yung mga iba't ibang lanterns na ginagamit nila to celebrate. So, nakikita nyo naman, iba't ibang mga animals, may rabbit, may mga fishes. Tapos usually, ito yung mga pangbata. So, yan, iba't ibang lanterns na they will light up dun sa evening ng Mid-Autumn Festival celebration. Super cute! Sabi mo, gusto ganito, guys? Okay guys, so dito tayo pupunta mamaya. So, ito yung background to the park. It's actually tropical theme. So, makikita nyo na naka-Hawaiian theme sila. So, mamaya aakyat tayo to see kung ano yung lights exhibit